Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about a math spark. So math spark is nothing but it's a spark where we are trying to depict various concepts of mathematics in this spark. So if you can see right, this is the left side. So we have depicted all the 3D shapes. If you can see right, so this is a cube shape where we have clearly defined CSA, TSA and volume formulas. Similarly for cuboid, we have defined the cuboid with the CSA, which is curved surface area, TSA is total surface area and its volume as well. Similarly for cone, we have defined CSA, TSA and volume, and for sphere as well. So we have defined all the three parameters here. Similarly, we try to depict a model here with a number line to represent a zero and positive numbers as well as negative numbers. The numbers which are on the right side after zero, which are those numbers, we call it as a positive numbers. So any number which is coming after 0, we call it as a positive number, and any number which is coming previous to 0, we call it as a negative number. That is how we are represented the number line here. And similarly, so we are represented using protractor, the linear pair of angles. So whatever the shape we are shown here, position we are shown here, this side which is 80 degree, and this side is remaining degree of 180 degree. That means this side is 100 degree plus 80 degree. Total, we call it as a 180 degree here. And similarly, we try to represent a Pythagoras theorem, where Pythagoras theorem talks about c square is equal to a square plus b square, which is hypotenuse is equal to base into height. That is the Pythagoras theorem is talks about. That is what we are represented here with this item here in the part. And similarly, so we also depicted types of angle in a very innovative way, if you can see right. So we are trying to depict an image here with angles in each of these parts of this image. If you can see right, we are depicted here acute angle, and this side we are represented a right angle, and this is a straight line which is 180 degree. And similarly, we are represented here reflex angle which is greater than 180 degree. Similarly, we have depicted a right angle which is 90 degree, and here also we are depicted acute angle. So that means all the different types of angles we are able to represent in this types of angle, and as well as the face also we represented a complete circle which is 360 degree of a circle that we are represented here. This is the simple way we are trying to represent a mathematical part where we try to depict all the small elements in the mathematics, and we are trying to captain in this part so that people can learn and understand in a fun way by making use of this math spark. I hope you guys got a clear idea on how to explain this math spark in your math fair projects. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button. If you guys are not subscribed, do subscribe, as well as share with your friends as well this working model, so that they will also get a benefit out of this working model, and they can also learn and share with others as well. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.